How to draw and color a chicken. Step 1. Draw the body. Draw an oval shape tilted slightly sideways for the chicken's body. Step 2. Draw the head. On top of the oval, draw a smaller circle for the head. Step 3. Draw the beak. Draw a small triangle shape sticking out from the front of the head. Step 4. Draw the comb and wattle. Draw the comb, the wavy crown on the head, using bumpy curves on top. Draw the wattle under the beak as two droopy small loops. Step 5. Draw wings and tail. On the body, draw a curved wing shape. At the back, draw some pointy feathers for the tail. Step 6. Draw eyes and legs. Draw a small circle for the eye and color in a black dot. Draw two thin legs ending in 3 toes each. Coloring time. Here are classic chicken colors you can use. Body feathers, white or light yellow. Comb and wattle, bright red beak. And legs, yellow or orange. Tail feathers can be white, black, or mixed eyes. Black with a white highlighter dirt.